A project for a client who spent most of his life in the Middle East and now sought to create a luxurious and a flamboyant home in India.
Hi, this is architect Rinki Kotak.
Hi, this is architect Mihir Kotak.
Hi, this is Manali, design head at Fourth Dimension.
Welcome today to the Imperial Residence designed by us. Standing true to its name, the Imperial Residence design language stemmed from the client's brief of wanting a majestic and a magnificent home to reside in. The chic design of the lavish living room features the shimmery Baobab Brazilian stone. Rich veneer claddings, ombre painted backdrop for the TV, and the tailored luxurious furniture from Italy, along with the few smart automation features. It's all about the bling and the opulence that these variety of materials and their textures contribute to the ensemble. The elaborate sectional sofa and the armchairs comfortably seat the entire family of 4 couples and the 2 kids. The dining area, adjacent to the living room near the entrance, features a grand dining table set against the white furrowed panel with golden accents. A spacious balcony sits along the length of the living and the dining area combined to cherish the view of the hills from the 16th floor.
A tulip flower motif, laser cut in veneer, transforms into golden accents in the mandir and seamlessly extends into the white furrowed paneling. The grandparents' and parents' bedrooms were thoughtfully designed with the couple's ages in mind, featuring curved edges and no popping handles. As you enter the son's bedroom, you are welcomed by a two-way graphic mural of a vintage car showcasing his love for cars. Entering the 8-year-old daughter's bedroom, she has the ultimate dream room every girl her age would love. The backdrop is a jigsaw puzzle of Disneyland. The wardrobe handles are shaped like Goldilocks curls, and everything is customized with unicorns and pink, including a candy-themed bathrobe.
The second master bedroom is all about exuberant features like blue agate stone, a leather-clad wardrobe, and an ultra-rich vitric bed back with rose gold accents tying the room together. The master suite is undoubtedly the highlight of the Imperial Residence. Semi-precious amethyst stone forms the staggered shelves and bedside tabletops, while hand-cut glass mosaic from Sitges gracefully accents the master bed's backdrop. The spacious walk-in wardrobe and bathroom are adorned with textured leather, metal mesh wardrobes, and metallic gold mosaics. The saga of the backlit amethyst continues. Here's to to celebrating the beauty of a project, where the client's trust in the designer allowed true creative freedom to shine.